camera enthusiasts and action videographers have eagerly awaited the next chapter in GoPro's 360 degrees lineup, the GoPro MAX2. With the original GoPro Max having debuted in 2019 and set a new standard for immersive capture, expectations are high for its successor. In this video, we explore the likely release timing, price estimates, anticipated specifications, innovative features, and competitive positioning, all while weaving in new angles, focused keywords, and speculative scenarios. Anticipated launch/release window. From teaser to launch cycle. According to the video teaser transcript, the promotional campaign for the MAX2 is already in motion. The source suggests that the product will likely debut in late August to early September 2025 in the US market. We can expect the GoPro MAX2 will arrive in late August, early weeks of September 2025. That timing aligns with GoPro's past product cycles. New flagship or major releases often occur around the late summer to early fall window, allowing the company to ride consumer interest before the holiday season. Confirmations and hints from GoPro. At the launch of the GoPro Hero 12 Black, the company's CEO, Nick Woodman, confirmed a successor to the Max is in the works and worth the wait. What I can confirm today is that it is in the works and it will be worth the wait. While GoPro has not yet confirmed a precise date, the combination of the marketing teaser and statements from leadership make a late summer to early fall 2025 reveal credible and plausible. Thus, as of now, the projected release window for the GoPro MAX2 is August, September 2025. US/global rollouts may follow. Projected pricing and positioning. Price range estimate. Based on the transcript, the retail price is expected to fall between $400 to $500, intended to stay competitive in the 360 degrees camera field. The GoPro MAX2 is expected to have a retail price between $400 to $500. This is a strategic move to compete with rivals such as the Insta360X5, which launched around $549. GoPro will likely aim to undercut or closely match that pricing while offering compelling features. Pricing rationale and market segment. Several reasons support that pricing range. Competitive pressure. The Insta360X5 already commands a premium. GoPro must stay aggressive to avoid being left behind. Economies and component costs. Advances in sensors, chipsets, and manufacturing may allow GoPro to deliver higher capabilities without dramatically inflating production costs. Consumer expectations. The MAX2 needs to feel like a value upgrade rather than a niche toy. Placing it in a mid-premium tier rather than ultra-premium helps broaden adoption. Differentiation. To avoid cannibalizing its Hero series, GoPro must position MAX2 price-wise to attract 360 degrees enthusiasts, not average action camera buyers. Given these forces, $400 to $500 seems a reasonable sweet spot, though final MSRP may vary by region, taxes, and accessories. Speculations. Key specifications and hardware. Since GoPro has not released full specs, much of this is informed speculation, but grounded in realistic trajectory and competitive benchmarks. Video resolution and frame rates. The original GoPro Max, 2019, was capped at 5.6K 360 degrees capture. The video transcript indicates pressure on GoPro to deliver 8K 360 degrees to keep pace with rivals. If GoPro wants to compete against Insta360X5, they have to bring 8K on board at a very competitive price. Thus, plausible spec targets for GoPro MAX2 might include 8K 360 degrees video, perhaps 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second, if sensor and processing permit, 4K/6K 360 degrees capture at higher frame rates, e.g. 60, 120 frames per second, 4 flattened, non-360 modes, 4K, 5.3K, or 6K at 120/240 FPS, depending on cropping. Potential support for slow motion, e.g., 1080p at